Am I recording? Okay, I'm vlogging on my phone because attaching my camera to my car is like too much work right now, and I just don't know. I don't know how to get it at the good position that it needs to be so you guys can actually see me. I slept over at Melon's house, but I had to leave and come back home to get my camera and a blow dryer because she needs one. So I'm gonna go back home. I picked up some food, some breakfast from my house, so we're gonna eat there, and then Anna's gonna meet us there, and then I'm not sure about Mary. But first, we're going to the animal shelter because they close at 2, and they open at 10, and it's around, I think it's around like 10, it's 10:10, so I'm gonna go back to Melon's house and get ready, do my makeup. I already did my skincare routine, brushed my teeth, so I just gotta change. And there's a festival going on today, I think that's what it is, like 20 minutes from our town. Different towns, we might go there, stop by, and because I've never been there before. So I'm also driving without my glasses on, so which isn't the best or the safest, but I mean, anyways, I will get back to you guys when I'm at Melon's house. Anna's here! Broski, I already got my outfit on. I'm gonna do my makeup in the bathroom. Alright, this is my outfit for today. I'm still debating on what shoes I want to wear. But these white light wash jeans and then this green top. This one's from Hollister. The jeans are from Shein. I'm either gonna wear sandals or sneakers. My 2 options. Yeah, girl, wear the Alright, we're going with sneakers. Bruh, she's hating on my feet right now. She did it. My next set, or my fill-in is at the end of the month. You mean? This month? Yeah, this month. The 30th. Exactly that day. Don't play with me right now. I'm gonna wear sunscreen. I was gonna document me getting ready, but I think I'm gonna film on TikTok. Alright, song on replay. They can't even see you. Alright, the animal shelter we go, because I'm trying to see if I bond with the cat.
I'm gonna get one too. How do I make it tight?
There, now we're recording. With the... We don't even have a really group name. Like, we're doing 2016 vibes today.
The beat goes on and on and on and on and boom, clap is my shadow. You are the sun to go with her.
Here.
You have to put on the other side. All the windows. My bro asked, "Are you coming to this thing?" Careful. She's so cute. OMG. Wait. But it's a female, 7 weeks old. But I wanna like. This one got abandoned. It had a. OMG, there's this one too. It got surrendered. They're also. Are these 2 females too?
She's so pretty. Or Charlie. He's so pretty.
Bro, which one? How long can I put a hold on it for? I'm about to order my cat stuff right now.
Just take it with you.
Just take it with me. Girl, get one of these. Oh. They do.
And so you can get free stuff and like cheaper stuff. Gertie.
That's his name.
ayudo no puedo. Talk to him. Oh, this one too. It's like a tuxedo. Open them legs. He's so cute. He's so One's hiding, but it's coming out. No. Which one suits you? The gray one. The gray one. Yeah. Alright, come to mama. Her butt is literally in my face right now.
So she got her cat, she got the paperwork. They're making a little box for it.
Can I do card?
Alright, so we just finished the paperwork, but we have to run to the ATM because they only accept cash.
Cash or check? Like I don't have cash.
Oh, I don't have my
Look at that beautiful car.
It's crazy.
Big girl purchase.
A little animal type stuffed animal so she can hunt. Again!
Nada.
I know it breaks your heart. Moved to the city and I broke down crying. 4 years no car. Now I'm fucking penny in the hotel crying. I can't stop. Can't stop. I know you can't afford with that tattoo on your shoulder. We're here depositing money.
Were you gonna take her for a little ride to explore the town?
We're gonna take her, yep. Here
Money up.
at
I'm gonna need to get another
Sheetz.
job now.
We're at Sheetz, guys. I took over the camera. We're gonna get money.
Like, this is about me, but I'm gonna deposit $40 for the thumbnail.
Bro,
My hair's getting lighter.
Walmart.
Ouch, 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 she's scratchy.
One of us stay in the car with her.
There's Anna has a cart because like I just can't right now. She's already scratched me because I'm just trying to bring her in the store. We're at Walmart and we're gonna try to find some things to get her. I think this is all dog stuff. Shoot, $1. Little water.
The movie?
So I guess that for now. Can I use this for her? Is this all dog stuff?
Yeah.
Maybe I need 2. One for her food.
Yeah.
So add another one of these for now. So I'm gonna get her a water fountain. Do you remember when you had a cat? And what did you use? I know I need one of these. This is steel.
Yeah, you might want that. Did they say she was just... Yeah.
7:30 to last that long.
Doing research.
We in the car trying to get food. We got all that stuff some of the stuff that I needed, but I need to get more things. She's always like that. We in traffic right now. So now we wait. Guys, I need my cameraman to do their job.
Hey guys, I'm cameraman.
We just ate our lunch / late early dinner. Breakfast. This is my breakfast right now.
Breakfast.
I'm going to PetSmart and then TJ Maxx is literally right there. Wait! There's no cars around. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna get the parking spot right up front.
Because we need a tutorial.
It's gonna take you like 10 to 15 minutes just to adjust your parking because you're not used to parking in the way that you park.
Because your name is Kaylen and don't know how to do Look at the queen.
She's in a purse right now, which I don't know if I can. Alright, then I'm gonna find a new parking spot because I just can't do this, okay? Like, it's too tight. I need some space.
Mind you, this is the parking spot.
Because I can park when I'm going into the left, like right here.
Really? I park better on the right.
Yeah, it's the opposite from me. You're gonna be next to a sketchy car. And now you made it to PetSmart / TJ Maxx, and you're gonna find some things for your new kitten. Dad, if you're watching this YouTube video, which I know you are, I'm 20 now. I can get my own cat. I'm not 15. Like that one time when I brought that cat home, you got really mad and I dropped it off.
First time trying Chick-fil-A's iced coffee. I got the mocha cream cold brew. I give this a 10 out of 10.
Really?
Mm-hmm. And then we all got Chick-fil-A. Kaylin, what'd you get?
I got grilled nuggets and fries and a vanilla iced coffee, but I think they gave me mocha.
Alright, Melanie, what'd you get?
I got fries and Chick-fil-A sauce and a chicken sandwich. I already ate the bread.
Alright, Suki, what'd you get?
Shrimp skillet meal.
And then I got chicken nuggets and fries.
Hi guys, I'm currently editing this video. So I adopted Suki. I named her Suki. And she's 8 weeks now, I think, because I got her May 9th. Well, I've had her for 2 weeks now, so I think she's 9 weeks old, I think. She's on my lap.